Welcome to drawing Mrs. Potts from the Disney movie, Beauty and the Beast. Starting with her hat, draw what appears to be a squiggly worm on an angle going upward. Mrs. Potts is the castle's cook. Of all the enchanted objects, she is the most reliable. No matter the command she receives from the Beast, she does the right thing. Follow the video as we finish her hat. Remember to pause the video when needed. The spout is her nose. Draw the body of a teapot, for of course, her body. Mrs. Potts was the only character in the castle who would not tolerate the Beast's poor behavior and stood up to him during those times. The Beast respected her for that, and changed his behavior because of her scolding. Notice how her eyes are looking up on an angle, and her mouth is drawn a little puckered. This gives the appearance of a warm-hearted, motherly-like intentions. Of all the enchanted objects in the Beast's castle, Mrs. Potts understood the most about love. She carefully guides Belle, a beautiful young lady, towards liking and eventually loving the Beast. Draw her circular base as though it is a delicate lovely dress. For she carries an air of respect and love by all the enchanted objects in the Beast's castle. Her beauty is aglow, as she enables the Beast and Belle to see the true inner love they have for each other. A bond of love that is inseparable forevermore.